Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tessie. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this carrot oil for skin. This carrot oil was actually inspired by a friend of mine, Fantastic Favour. Yes, so she used it on her skin and I love it. I already have carrot oil on my channel, which is the frying method. So this is the carrot I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using extra virgin of olive oil as a carrier. So go ahead and clean the carrot and grate it, or you can use food processor to do this, okay? So yeah, after grating the carrot, the next thing you're going to do, make sure you have a clean jar that can resist heat, okay? So transfer the grated carrot into the jar, and while you are doing this, make sure you place water over the heat because you're going to be using that hot water to cook this carrot. We're not frying it because we need it for our skin. It's best you use this method for skin carrot oil. So now I'm adding the extra virgin of olive oil, which you can use any oil as a carrier to this oil. Coconut oil, name them. Now I'm just going to use a spoon to make sure that the oil circulates around the carrot before putting them on a pot, on a saucepan, or whatever you're using. So now I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to send them to the pot, like place them over the hot water. So guys, now I'm placing them over the hot water and I'm going to put the lid of the pan on and put the heat down to medium low, and I'm going to allow them to cook for 20 minutes. I do move them around while they are cooking for that 20 minutes. So now it's 20 minutes and I'm going to take them out of the pot and allow them to cool down a little before I can filter them. So yeah, this is me trying to filter the oil from the carrots. I make sure I press them because I needed that nutrient from the carrot. So even after off the camera, I press them a lot. Yes, so make sure you get as much as vitamins you can from the carrots, okay? So after that, I'm going to transfer them into my bottle. Use any bottle of your choice, or you can even transfer them into your jar. And I had a lot of questions. How do I store my carrot oil? I do store my carrot oil on my bathroom mobile. Just put them there. That is where I normally keep the other oil. That is where I store them. I'll keep using them until they are finished. I don't store them in the fridge. Make the one you can use as fast as possible, okay? This is my advice. So this is me putting the oil on my skin. And yeah, that is all for this video. I'm going to be leaving the other method at the description, so make sure you check it out. Thank you for watching and I will see you on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.